Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will review the best single-serve coffee maker for your home. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, then watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. And check out the product link in the description box. The Keurig K-Mini Mate is made for coffee enthusiasts who want delicious coffee without taking up much room. This single-serve coffee maker is ideal for tiny kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, RVs, and apartments due to its incredibly small 4-inch width. Use K-Cup pods to brew your favorite coffee in a matter of minutes, and take advantage of a travel mug-friendly machine that's perfect for hectic mornings. Fresh, hot coffee is available whenever you want it thanks to its straightforward one-button operation and lack of complicated settings. The K-Mini Mate is a thoughtful holiday gift for professionals, students, and anyone living in a small space because it is lightweight, energy efficient, and simple to use. This little coffee maker packs a lot of flavor into a small package. Compact and space-saving design. The K-Mini Mate's narrow 4-inch width makes it easy to place on tiny desks, countertops, or shelves. Apartments, dorm rooms, offices, RVs, and small kitchens with limited space are all perfect for it. K-Cup brewing system for single serves. Because this coffee maker works with K-Cup pods, you can brew one fresh cup at a time. Coffee grounds don't need to be measured because each brew has a consistent flavor and aroma. Travel mug compatible. Because it is made to fit the majority of travel mugs, it is ideal for those prefer to take their coffee with them. Just put your mug under the spout and start brewing. Efficient and quick brewing. It takes only a few minutes to brew a hot cup of coffee and heats up quickly. Ideal for hectic mornings or brief coffee breaks. That was today's review. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the product link in the description box. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.